Hey guys, as you can see from the box, I just ordered a pair of Yeezys and I wanted to do a quick unboxing and review for you guys. And I'll also talk a little bit about the sizing. Yeah, let's get into it. So here's the box. Looks pretty cool. It says 350 at the top because these are the Yeezy 350 V2 triple whites. On the sides, YEEZY Boost 350 made by Adidas. And then on this side, it has the size. I ordered a 10.5. I'm normally a size 10, but I heard these shoes fit a little tight, so I decided to go a half size up to 10.5. And honestly, I'm not sure if I sized up enough, but we'll see when I try these on. So usually shoe boxes open up like this, but this one is pretty cool. It just slides out like this. And yeah, let's take a look at the shoes now. So this is how it looks, all white. The sole has this gum kind of feel, looks a little bit translucent, but it's still Boost at the bottom, which you can see here. Don't really know what to say about these. They're just a white pair of Yeezys. They do look pretty big though, and I think that's because of this butt thing over here. Yeah, I'm a little afraid they'll look like clown shoes on me, but I guess we'll see when I try them on. So the shoes actually feel really comfortable, but the problem is they still fit too tight even though I sized a half size up. I think I should have went a full size up because my toe is still kind of jammed into the toe box, and even though it's not too uncomfortable right now when I'm trying them on, I know if I wear them for a whole day, it's gonna get really uncomfortable. So for you guys out there, I would recommend going a full size up. So I'm usually size 10, I went for 10.5, but I probably should have went for an 11. Anyways, I think these shoes are actually pretty nice. For $220, they're definitely a little pricey, but it's not that much more than an Ultra Boost, and I feel like it's just as, if not maybe even more comfortable than Ultra Boosts. The only problem is the sizing is really messed up, so make sure you go a full size up, not a half size up like I did. Yeah, see you guys, peace.